I was born at a corner in the dusty street of Damdam, near the railway station, along with my two brothers and a sister. From the very day of my birth, the struggle for survival started. I can still remember the first winter when both my brothers could not bear with the spine chilling cold which resulted in their death due to pneumonia. My sister died in the same winter as she met with an accident. My mother cried a lot in the entire winter due to the loss, but there was none to hear her pain, and slowly I misunderstood that in this world we are unwanted and we have to fight for our own survival. Days went by, and the time came when I had to get separated from my parents to fight individually for my existence. In our world, you are not pampered after a certain period of time. For days, I had to fight with other street dogs looking to find a place for shelter and food. I felt what hunger is for the first time and ultimately fought against two other dogs to get hold of my territory near a chicken meat shop. I had to suffer a lot of bites and bruises, but slowly they healed up with time. The leftovers from the chicken meat shop were my primary source of food. However, I had to stroll around different places in search of some eatables from the garbage so that I can satisfy my hunger properly. I feel very exhausted when summer comes. To avoid the glare from the scorching sun, like other street dogs, I find myself a place in the gutter. The rainy season and the winter are the worst seasons for us. With no shelter, we feel in a helpless situation. We roam around here and there in the rainy season to look for a shelter, getting completely drenched. Most of the times, we are unable to find a place. At times, even if we manage to find a place, many people chase us out, making our lives difficult. Many people chase us out from different places and even beat us severely. Sometimes we retaliate, but most of the times we are unable to do so, thinking that we are destined for this treatment. Many times, drunkards at night throw stones at us. This makes me quite irate, and sometimes I retaliate with my strong tongue. Many people are also kind to us as well. They feed us after their lunch and dinner. Also, sometimes we get biscuits to eat. We really love them and express our affection to them by wagging our tails. Often, I see many pet dogs are taken out for a walk by their masters with a chain or rope tied around their neck. Even though they are fed well and taken care of, I feel pity for them because of their captivity. I want to be free, and sometimes it makes me happy that even though I have to struggle, I have my freedom. I am quite old now and understand that life is all about struggle. So, there is nothing to complain in life for me, as even human beings also struggle every day to earn for their livelihood. The only thing that I ask from all is to be kind enough to us as well, so that we can also live peacefully. Dogs have always been faithful friends for the human race.
A small message: let's join our hands to stop animal cruelty. Please feed the street dogs, they also deserve to live. If possible, please adopt one. Lastly, even if you are unable to feed them, please ensure not to hurt them.